Hi, and welcome back to SeedCode Complete, Modules and Customization. This is Bart Bartholomew, your Treasure Coast FileMaker consultant. Today, I'd like to show you the purchase order module and how it fits into this client's overall daily workflow. As you can see, I'm here on the home page, your dashboard to other modules in the program. To get to the purchase order module, I can click on the icon, or I can make that selection here on the navigation menu. But there's also one more way to go to purchase orders, and I'll show that to you a little bit later. So I'm going to click on the icon, which opens up the purchase orders screen. For this example, I'm going to create a purchase order for one of my vendors. To begin, I'll click New PO in the FileMaker status area. Now I'm going to assign a supplier to the PO. I'll do this by clicking on the supplier field and choosing from a drop-down list of vendors, determined by checking vendor in their list of company types. Notice that since this company has a main contact link to it, that contact's information is also filled in automatically. Now I'm going to add a sample number of products that we're going to order from this vendor. Once done, I can preview the purchase order by clicking on View PO in the small menu bar above the record. I'm also able to print the purchase order if I want to send a hard copy to the vendor. More often than not, I'll just elect to email the purchase order, so I'll click on Email PO. As you can see, the completed purchase order appears, and when I click Continue, an email is created that includes a few introductory remarks by me and the copy of the PO ready to go. A simple click and it's on its way. Now back in the PO entry screen, we see that the PO's status has changed from in process to sent. If I need to, I can add another product to this PO, but I'll need to resend the supplier the amended version. Note that the status has once again changed to in process, allowing me to send it out again. But perhaps I've thought twice about doing this and decide to remove the product I just added. The status has changed back to sent. That's because the product list hasn't changed at all. However, I'm going to add another product and then remove one that I first entered. Note that I still have only 3 products, but since they're different from those included in the first PO, the status still is in process, and I'll need to send it out again, which I do quickly right now. Finally, changing the supplier at this point can't be done unless the status returns to an in-process state. Now that we've ordered products, let's check out the company's record to see the changes. Back on the company screen, I can verify that the purchase order we just created exists by selecting the Purchase Orders tab, where you'll see the order as well as a button allowing you to create another purchase order. This is handy if you happen to be on this company's record initially. When we click on the button, we're taken to a new purchase order record, and if the company had been a vendor, its information will appear already filled in. So there you have it, another great module to make your daily workflow more efficient with SeedCode Complete, customized by Treasure Coast FileMaker Consulting. See you next time.